A boring email can instantly gain an element of interest and fun by putting a game in it. Our email games are perfect for any kind of marketing email that you might use, and they can be viewed and played on any device. Here we have a boring email used to generate interest in an upcoming summer sale. This run-of-the-mill email can be made much more interesting by adding a game to it. The participant gets the email and clicks here to play. Other types of emails that are great to generate business are transactional or milestone emails. All of the games have up to 5 different offerings. After the game, the player will be redirected. On the redirect page, you'll be given instructions on how to redeem your prize. If data collection is important, you can have people fill out a form to redeem this offer or add a sweepstakes to encourage the collection of that data. Each of the offerings correspond to different URL redirects. The redirect pages are set up and hosted by the clients, typically on their websites. We set up the redirects to the URL based on the different offer levels. In addition to the prize wheel, you can choose a slot machine, plinko, golf, or scratch-off game to promote your branding and your business.